We're not a new company. We've been around for over 75 years, and we are really focused on folding cartons. The demands of folding cartons has really gone up and down since through the COVID situation and the pandemic, and it really is different now than it used to be. The lead times are being reduced. We had a significant supply issue, as most industries did, right as COVID was developing in over 2021 and 22. The demand shot up during the pandemic because people were eating in, and there were different things driving the demand of folding cartons. We're food specific. We mostly do food cartons here at Colorcraft Graphic Arts.
We have a really great company culture here. It's really fun, the people we work with. The leadership team, our CEO, Director of Operations, they're just great. They're really good people to work with. I feel like I'm growing every day.
Looking back 5, 6, 7 years, we really had based the company on the equipment that we had. That was our biggest concern when I came on board, was updating our equipment so that we could service our customers from a quality perspective, from color management, from all the things that we need to do in this market today to make sure we're servicing our customers. Even though we're really good at it, I look back now on what we are today and I wonder how we did it. But we really have come a long way in our ability to service. Again, looking at buying a new Komori Press, and we added die cutting capacity. We did a little bit of automation this past year in our gluer folding department.
We've recently got a new Komori Press, which has been fantastic. The speed of that press is impressive. The press has been great from a speed standpoint, and then also we use less sheets with our make-readies. So we're seeing a big benefit from a make-ready standpoint and a speed and efficiency standpoint.
As we look at automation, especially on our new Komori Press, the concern was that the operators would want to be more engaged with the machine. So as we got into talking to our team from Komori about training up our operators, they said that's the hardest part, is you have to get the operators to sit back and let the machine do the color management, do the plates, and do the automated things that the press does versus what we currently had in production. And I was very worried about that, extremely worried. And Roger, our trainer from Komori, just came in and just did a beautiful job of getting the buy-in and the support from our key operators. And they just did a wonderful job of sitting back and listening. And as I would walk out and kind of look at what was going on with the press, I walked up one day and they were standing there. And I said, "Hey, what's going on?" They said, "Oh, it's doing its thing. It's setting up for the next run." It's, the plates were being changed. I didn't really realize that's how easy it was. And it was really nice that they had, sitting back and watching it and making sure everything was going okay, but they didn't have to engage.
The increase of automation has helped our company with the faster changeovers on the new Komori. We are able to get more jobs throughout the day done. The speed of the new Komori also has helped. We can produce as many jobs on that in one shift as we have on 2 shifts on our old equipment.
With the help of the Komori Press, we're able to take our employees' overtime and bring that down by being able to produce more sheets per hour, which enables us to give our employees a better work-life balance. So we're able to produce more using the same amount of people and also be able to provide them a good work-life balance, which helps us also meet our customer demands. So it's a win-win for us, for Komori, and for our customers.
The advancements from going from a 5-generational Komori Lathrone to the GLX Advanced, it's huge. So the sheets per hour, we averaged about 4,500 an hour on our ancient equipment. It was fine. I don't know how we did it, but we averaged 4,500 an hour. And right now, the press, it runs between 13 and 15,000 an hour. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing, depending upon the substrates that are going through it. We basically have doubled, and in a lot of instances on a lot of our products, tripled our speeds. One of the more important things was the actual sheets. The make-ready sheets on an old Komori is huge, anywhere from 300 to 1,000. I mean, depending upon getting your color locked in on some of our older equipment was really, really difficult on some jobs. On this press, we can do it in anything from 50 to max out at 200 sheets. That's a big reduction. So speed to get that many sheets through your press to make color I mean, we've just seen some significant advancements in going to the new GL640. You know, it's just been an amazing thing to watch. So the relationship that we have built and have had with Komori has been extremely positive, and it's important. You know, I look at our material suppliers, and based on the needs and demands of this business, you know, you have to have that trust and that relationship, and I will say that with Komori we've built that.